Welcome back, students. Welcome to session number 31, cost accounting class. And in this class, I'll be telling you two problems on canteen costing. So let us see which are those two problems and we'll try to solve it. So first, let's check out the problems. Yes, students, let's solve this problem. Prepare operating cost sheet for the Bhima caterers handling a canteen business for a college. Following information is given for the month ending March 2019. Cook's salary rupees 90,000, assistant of cook salary rupees 40,000, cleaner wages rupees 24,000, meat and eggs rupees 32,000, rice and wheat rupees 14,000, milk and butter rupees 16,000, gas cost rupees 7,000, electricity rupees 4,000, crockeries and glasswares rupees 3,000, rent rupees 10,000. The college has 500 students and the caterer serves them lunch for 20 days in a month. Calculate total cost and cost per meal. So let us see here. These are the costs of the canteen incurred, and there are around 500 students, and the canteen works for 20 days in a month. Now we have to calculate total operating cost and cost per meal or cost per student per meal. So let's prepare operating cost sheet. So one by one, we'll see now. Under the wages, under the head of wages and salaries, we have cook salary, salary of assistant, cleaner, wages. And under provisions, we have meat and egg, rice and wheat, milk and butter. Services, we have gas cost, electricity. Consumables, we have crockeries and glassware. Miscellaneous, we have rent. So under different heads, they have given cost. Let us start the cost sheet. So hope you have written the problem. I'll be closing it now. We'll do the answer. So first head is wages and salaries. Wages and salaries. Under this head, we have cook's salary. Cooks, it's given as 90,000. Assistant salary. Assistant salary rupees 40,000, and cleaners wages. Cleaners wages, it's 24,000. So under this head, there are three wages and salaries. Now we add it, it comes to 1,54,000. So this is one head now we have completed. And under the second head, we have provisions. Provisions. Let's see what are given in the problem. So first one is meat and eggs. Meat and eggs. Meat and eggs rupees 32,000. Rice and wheat. Rice and wheat, it's given as 14,000. And next, milk and butter. Milk and butter. The amount given is rupees 16,000. 16,000. So let's total it. It will come to rupees 62,000. 62,000. It is the second head now. Let's make another head, that is services. Services. So under that we have gas cost, that is gas given is 7,000. And next electricity. Electricity amount given is 4,000. So what will be the total of these two? 7,000 plus 4,000, it is 11,000. So this is one more head. We did it now. Let's make it bold. And next, last one is consumables. Consumables. What's given in the problem? Consumables, crockeries and glasswares, crockery and glassware. What's the amount given? Rupees 3,000. Directly we'll take here because it's only one item there. And finally, we have miscellaneous, that is rent. Miscellaneous. So I'll write it here only, that is rent. Rent is rupees 10,000. Rent is rupees 10,000. So we'll total it now and we'll see what will be the total operating cost. Now total it. Let's see what is the total. What will be the total amount? What is this total? It comes to 2,40,000. 2,40,000. This is total operating cost. Total operating cost. So one thing is found out now. Next we have to see what is the cost per what they have asked in the problem. Total cost and cost per meal. So we'll do it now. Cost per meal. Cost before going to this. So let's write the formula. Cost per meal. Cost per meal is equal to, I have shown you, total operating cost divided by total operating cost divided by number of students, because it is a college. Number of students. So now we require one more working note here, that is how many meals are being provided, students or meals we can take. So how many meals are being provided or how many students have taken the meals. So for this working note, we'll leave it here incomplete. For this, we have working note here, calculation of total meals. Calculation of total meals is equal to total number of students, into number of days. So this will come to total number of students given in the problem is 500 students into number of days is 20 days. This will come to, when we multiply 500 with 20, it comes to 10,000 meals or students. Now we'll take it here. Total operating cost is 2,40,000 divided by 10,000 students or meals. 10,000 students or meals. students or meals. This is equal to rupees 24 per meal or per student. Student will eat per meal at rupees 24. So this is how you calculate cost per meal and operating cost sheet. Now let's move on to one more problem which was taken from the book, that is ABC Limited runs a canteen for its staff members and showed the following costs. Prepare cost sheet and cost per meal for the month of January 2020. Total number of staff members were 300 members and the canteen runs 30 days in a month. So groceries rupees 50,000, bakery items rupees 16,000, beverages rupees 13,000, salaries of canteen staff rupees 28,000, gas and electricity rupees 8,000, consumable stores rupees 4,000, repairs and maintenance rupees 6,000, depreciation rupees 2,000, rent rupees 4,000, and finally insurance rupees 3,000. So let's solve this operating cost sheet. So this we have to write here particulars. And here goes amount. Let's do it fast. Hope you have written the problem in your book. Now start doing the problem on your own. So under first head, we have wages and salaries. Directly, they have given the total amount of wages and salaries. So what's the amount given? Rupees 28,000. 28,000. And next, under provision heads, we have provisions. We have to enter here many items, that is groceries. Groceries given is 50,000. Take it inner column, 50,000. Next, bakery items. Bakery items rupees 16,000. Beverages amount given is rupees 13,000. Only 3 items are there in provisions. When we add all together, it comes to 79,000. Okay, and next heading is services. We have gas and services. So we have only one item here. Let's take directly here, gas and electricity. Gas and electricity. Electricity amount given is rupees 8,000. Amount given is rupees 8,000. So we take it here in the outer column. And next is consumables. This is one head. And consumables. Consumables given here is 4,000. Only one item, take it out in the outer column. And finally, we have miscellaneous. Miscellaneous, we have under this head many items to be written here. So let's check one by one what's given in the problem. First item, repairs and maintenance. Repairs and maintenance. I'll take it here in the short. Repairs and maintenance rupees 6,000. And next is depreciation. Depreciation, the given amount is rupees 2,000. And next, rent is rupees 3,000. And insurance rupees 3,000. So now insurance is 3,000 and this is 4,000. Rent is 4,000. Rent is 4,000. Okay. Now let's total all this. It comes to 15,000. Now total all this. When we total this, let's total here. Now what will be the amount? Amount will be 1,34,000. 1,34,000. What is this? This is total operating cost. Total operating. Okay. So as we did in the last column, again now we have to calculate cost per meal. Okay. Before that, we have one working note. As I said, working note, that is total meals served. Total meals served or prepared is equal to total number of staff, total number of staff into number of days. It comes to is equal to total number of staff is 300 members into total number of days given 30 days. So when we multiply this, it comes to 9,000 meals. Okay, now we'll calculate total cost per meal or cost per member. That is equal to, as you all know, total operating cost divided by total operating cost divided by number of meals. Number of meals or members. This, when we do it, total operating cost is rupees 1,34,000 divided by total number of meals. We have calculated it now, 9,000 meals. So it comes to, when we divide this, equal to rupees, let's calculate and see, 9,000 divided 1,34,900 divided by 9,000, it comes to rupees 14 rupees 90 paise per meal or per member. When we divide 1,34,000 with 9,000 meals, it comes to rupees 14.90 per meal. So this is how you calculate cost sheet and cost per meal or per member in canteen operating cost. Hope you all understood these two problems. Have a look at this and try some more problems on your own. I'll be back with another few problems. Until then, have a nice time. Stay safe. Thank you very much.